Welcome, friends. Today we continue our C1 journey. Our lesson is called Expressing Contrast with Complex Clauses, Balancing Ideas with Precision. At C1 level, we can go beyond simple connectors like but or although. We can use complex clauses to show contrast elegantly, balancing ideas with subtlety. This helps us in academic writing, debates, and advanced conversation. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. While, whereas, although, even though, much as, despite the fact that, in spite of the fact that. These are advanced structures for expressing contrast. Let's say them together slowly. Now let's make sentences. While I enjoy coffee, I prefer tea. Whereas she is quiet, her brother is talkative. Although it was raining, we went outside. Even though he was tired, he finished his work. Repeat after me slowly. Notice how each phrase balances two ideas. At C1 level, we can use complex clauses in formal contexts. Examples: while the evidence is persuasive, it is not conclusive. Whereas the policy promotes equality, it may reduce efficiency. Although resources are limited, progress has been made. Despite the fact that the results are incomplete, they remain valuable. Repeat after me. While the evidence is persuasive, it is not conclusive. Whereas the policy promotes equality, it may reduce efficiency. Although resources are limited, progress has been made. Despite the fact that the results are incomplete, they remain valuable. At C1 level, we can combine contrast with reasoning. Examples: though the project is ambitious, it is achievable with effort, which makes it worthwhile. Much as the theory is attractive, it lacks sufficient evidence to be accepted. Even though the plan failed, valuable lessons were learned, inspiring future success. Repeat after me. Though the project is ambitious, it is achievable with effort, which makes it worthwhile. Much as the theory is attractive, it lacks sufficient evidence to be accepted. Even though the plan failed, valuable lessons were learned, inspiring future success. Let's imagine daily life. Morning. Although I was sleepy, I went to school. Afternoon. While it was hot, I played football. Evening. Even though I was tired, I read a book. Repeat with me. Although I was sleepy, I went to school. While it was hot, I played football. Even though I was tired, I read a book. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Think of two contrasting ideas in your life today. Say softly in your mind, although I face challenges, I continue. While difficulties exist, I grow. Even though limits appear, I live with awareness. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice, noticing contrast with awareness. Today we learned our 27th C1 lesson, expressing contrast with complex clauses, balancing ideas with precision. We practiced vocabulary while, whereas, although, even though, much as, despite the fact that, everyday and formal contrast sentences, complex contrast structures, reflection, mindfulness in balancing opposites. These sentences help us speak more clearly with complex contrast clauses, and they remind us to live mindfully by balancing differences with awareness. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring peace, clarity, and joy.